I got a couple of repairs I'm going to be doing on the truck. I've got a new handle because the latch no longer pulls the lever that unlatches the tailgate, and I will replace the bezel, and eventually I'll be replacing the bumper also. I've got just the bumper showed up today, but we're going to go ahead and do the handle today. I think that's probably going to be the easiest repair we've had in a long time. So the plastic clip that holds the stick or the bar, you have to pull manually. There we go. Shows how hard it is to open. Alright, we're going to start by taking this off. Alright, so we've got 3 bolts here. Here it was. Oh, yeah. Alright, let's bring you in. There are a couple of clips. Hopefully that lighting's okay. There's a red clip and a green clip. The green clip is gone, long gone. The red clip we're going to spin that way, and then we can pull that bar off. Our handle completely comes out. Alright, you're going to see me sit here and fiddle with it for a minute. Sit down on a beehive box. See if we can get these. Alright, so that's the way we go. Red's on that side, green's on that side. Green hasn't been attached in years. Alright, red is in, and we spin that to lock it in place. Then we do the same with the green. Man, I bet you can't see anything I'm doing. And then we spin that to lock it in place. And we take our bolts and we get them started from the other side. I'm just going to get one started to hold it in place. And then a second one started to hold it in place. And a third started to hold it in place. And somewhere I need to find my bezel and see if that needs to go on first or not. Let me see where that bezel went. Alright, the bezel was in the back of the truck. There's the part number. It's a GM 1916102. It was less than $10. Alright. This just snaps in place. There's 2 tabs at the bottom. There's tabs at the top that lock in place, and then the bottom snaps into these 2 holes. So we're gonna, or maybe we're opposite. Yeah. So bottom's gonna. There we go. It's done. Need to lower the tailgate and screw the screws in. Those 13 millimeters. Tighten them down. All right, guys. I don't know where that cut off. I was just putting this new bezel on, and my phone overheated. I'm not in the sun, I'm in the shade. We're at about 110 degrees here today, though, so that phone shut down, and so I switched to an older phone. So we've just put our bezel on, and I need to lower the tailgate, and we'll go ahead and tighten up the bolts, and we'll be done. might recognize this 13 millimeter wrench I'm using. It's from one of my other videos. I may link it right up here. Over here. All right, we're done.